Hey coders, ever wonder how long it takes your money to double when you invest it? Today we're talking about a magic math trick called the Rule of 72, and trust me, it's cooler than it sounds. The Rule of 72 is a shortcut. It tells you how many years it'll take for your money to double. So take number 72 and divide it by your rate of return or interest rate you're earning. Let's say you invest $10,000 at 8% interest at age 16. Divide 72 by 8, and boom! Your money doubles in 9 years. So by the time you're 25 years old, that 10K could become 20K. But it doesn't stop there. In another 9 years, that 20K becomes 40K and then 80K. That's the power of compounding, and the Rule of 72 shows how it works. Start early, and your money works harder for you. Even a small investment today can grow into a mountain of cash by the time you're older, all thanks to time and compound. All right, time to test your brain. If you invest your money at 11% interest or 11% return rate, how long will it take to double? Pause the video, do the math, then hit play. Got it? So here is the answer. Divide 72 by 11 and you will get 7, which means in 7 years your money will be double. Boom. You just use the Rule of 72. Easy, right? Just like learning to code, investing early gives you a head start. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and share it with your coding friends. Stay smart and keep growing.